Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first gift guide of the season. This is my Walmart gift guide. I have many more coming, so make sure you're subscribed. A lot of these gifts are great for friends, family, yourself. That's fine. There's no shame. I definitely did a lot of shopping while I was doing all this research. But all of these will be linked down below in the description box with a corresponding number that you'll see on the screen to make it really easy to find. The goal for all of my gift guides are so that they're easy to find. They're the best pieces with really good ratings and really good prices, of course. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. We are starting off with electronics. This is the smallest section, mainly because I didn't find a ton of affordable electronics that I loved. All of these are under $100. The first one is a Black Friday deal. It's a FUE, don't know if I'm saying that right, robot vac. This is Wi-Fi connected. This next one, bear with me, but it is this hoverboard. I have no skills to be able to pull off a hoverboard, but there could be some people in your life who really love it, especially right now. We're looking for new activities to do, new electronics to play with. And then to finish this section, I have the Bose SoundLink waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. Bose makes really great speakers. You can find another one that's just a step above this one. I'm seeing it on sale a lot right now. It's about $130, but if you want to go for a little bit more inexpensive version, this one really looks great. All right, now to the beauty section. One of my new favorite cosmetics is Profusion Cosmetics, and they have a lot of stuff at Walmart. Profusion is amazingly priced, but I will say try to prime when you can, especially with their eyeshadows. So to start us off, we have the Profusion Best of Beauty Kit. This has so many things, including color correctors, and that's what originally sold me. I would pay this price just for color correctors, so everything else is just even better. And then next we have the Festival palette. This one's one of my favorites because it has a lot of neutrals, but it also has a lot of colors and glitters and mattes. It's a really good basic one that you can give to anyone. This is the one I have. This is the Nude Bliss palette and I love it. There's a lot of great looks. You can go for more pinks or more mauves or more coppers. This one also comes with a brush. This is the Mirage palette, which definitely has a lot of pinks and warmer tones, which are very on trend right now. If you're looking for some stocking stuffers, these 10 shade palettes are amazing and they're under $5. Like I said, like they're inexpensive. Use an eyeshadow primer and you are good. And then I think this is my last Profusion one. That long skinny shape is going to make it perfect for stuffing into stockings. So now we're done with the palettes, but we're not done with the beauty section. A portable makeup mirror is a perfect gift. This one actually you can change the temperature of the light. So if you want daylight, warm light, and see how your makeup looks in the different lights. This one is also a great one. It opens up to different magnifications, which is really helpful. And then this one might seem a little extra, but this beauty skincare fridge is less than $50, and I just thought that was a really great price. And it's a way to pamper someone, and if they don't use it for beauty and skincare, I've seen it used to like chill creamer if you have another coffee station that's not by your refrigerator. Our next section is fashion. This is separate from accessories. We'll get to that next. But the thing I really liked when I was looking through all of Walmart's fashion is a coat or a jacket. That just seems perfect for this time of year. So this first one is a bunny coat. The colors are gorgeous. It's fluffy, it's soft, it gets great reviews. Next we have a few coats from Allegra K. I really love the single breasted coat. I think it's so classic. It looks really nice and it comes in so many colors and they're like good colors, so you can't really choose a bad one. This one's a little bit more casual. I would argue a little bit more feminine. It's a softer touch. It's a tie waist and it has a softer collar. And then this is the Allegra K double breasted, which is slightly different from the one I just showed you. Again, lots of great colors. It's a great staple, so it's gonna make a great gift. I also am loving these plaid ones. I really love this black one, but it also comes in like a black tan cream, which can go with a lot of different things. Great neutrals, again, make great gifts. And then of course, another kind of faux fur jacket. I just love faux fur, especially this time of year, and I think it looks really nice no matter what you're wearing, whether it's a dress or a casual outfit. All right, now we can talk about accessories because I found a lot that I really love. So to start us off, we have these vegan suede V booties. They're gorgeous. They come in a few colors. Next, we have these Brindley Co. lace-up faux suede booties. These ones are so on trend this year, and I honestly can't believe the price. They come in a lot of great neutrals, so again, you can't choose a bad one. Chelsea boots and lug soles are super on trend, so of course I had to include one. This one comes in a black, brown, and I'm sort of a chestnut, so there's a lot of options and it's under $40. Like that price is just amazing to me. Next we have the Time and True block heels. I have these, I really love them. I highly recommend them. They have a slightly square toe, which is really in, and memory foam insoles. They're really comfortable. I did not expect this good quality for the price. These next ankle boots from Scoop are also really similar, but I would say a little bit more sleek, a little bit more formal. And then of course for the holidays, you can't go wrong with loungewear, sleepwear. This bathrobe reminds me so much of the UGG one you can find at Nordstrom for a lot more money. This one looks really nice and it's under $20. It's in my cart, but I wasn't able to get it in time for this video to give it a review. So make sure you subscribe so that you see an update on it later, or you can follow me on Instagram to see what I think of when I actually get it in the mail. This next gift idea I love. I cannot believe this price. Like this can't be real. This is one of those personalized name necklaces and it's under $40. Like how is that possible? You can put your friend's name on it or just like a word that means something special to you. So I thought that one was a really great gift idea. And then I loved these hoop earrings. Like I haven't seen anything quite like them. They have this really pretty twist and I'm a sucker for a hoop earring right now, so I might be putting these on my list too. I love this crossbody from London Fog. It comes in 3 really gorgeous colors. I love the hardware. I love that reptile print on the top. It looks really nice. And then next we have this vegan leather satchel that looks so cute and it comes with this little scarf you can put on it. I'm personally in love with the pale taupe. It's a little bit of a blush and it comes with a leopard tie scarf on it, which looks really cute. And then for those who want a nice big tote, this one from Time and True looks so nice. Again, these prices are amazing. Comes in 3 nice colors again, so you really can't go wrong picking. And then also from Time and True is this backpack. Backpacks have been in for a little while now, and if you're wanting to give one or get one, this one's really nice for your list because it's under $25. And then next we have this checkerboard wallet. It definitely looks reminiscent of Louis Vuitton, but it's just gorgeous. It's not claiming to be Louis Vuitton. It has a lot of card holders, the ID blocking. There's tons of room for everything that you need. All right, now on to home gifts. And to start us off, we have one of my personal favorites. This is a marble jewelry organizer. It has a lid with a mirror. It has a lot of compartments, but at the same time, when it's closed, looks really sleek. It's not bulky. It's not taking up a lot of room. And then next is this beautiful ceramic diffuser. It has like this flower on the top. I cannot believe these prices. Like this is under $10, and you could pair it with a couple of essential oils of your choosing and include them in the gift, and it's just a nice perfect little set to give someone. I am loving these chunky knitted throw blankets with really big things of yarn through them. So this one is really nice. It's a really great price. You can see these kind of blankets go for like $200, $300. And this one seems like a great one to just add some texture. It looks so soft. I'm always a little cautious when it comes to home gifts just because you don't always know what someone's style is. And even if you guess, they might be trying to pivot styles or trying to kind of redo a space in general. So something like a serving tray is a nice way to guess, but it's also something that isn't always used all the time. I love this natural wood one with the kind of the wrought iron handles on it. I love that look. I love the contrast of that. And then if you want, you could also do like this one with the gold handles. It's definitely more of a finished look. It looks so nice on like a vanity. Next we have this smart, they call it a bedside lamp, but you could put it wherever you want. And you can change so many different features about it. And I think it's with a touch or a small button. It's a very sleek design, and it can even change colors for those of you who sometimes want to change it up. I know sometimes being inside so much, just a different color light sounds exciting. And then next we have this vase set. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this look, and it comes with 3, so it's a very nice set. Or you could split it up between 3 different friends or family members. My next gift guide is Target, and I'm so excited because I found so many great picks. Like I think it's way better than the picks I found here. Found some great ones, not gonna lie, but Target has amazing ones, and I'm really excited to share those with you. So please subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.